Should hold acquaintance before God and never brought to mind. Sige po, kamayan po natin ang bawat isa. Batiin po natin. At i-congratulate po natin ang bawat isa sa natapos nating taon na may katagumpayan. Acquaintance before we two have run about the souls and peace. The days is mine. We'll take the crown of kindness yet for all and sign my dear for all that. Should